So what's up guys, this is a part 2 of the back garden, getting the pad poured for the garage. So yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Peace. Today's the day. All that shit needs to go, but we're ready to rock and roll. 2 mixers, gonna do it in 3 sections. So we have one section here, and then that. So we're gonna start over on the left hand side today. So just waiting on the stone to get delivered, and then we're gonna rock and roll. So let's go. So that's it, stone's here. Let's get it all out the back. Looking good. 2 mixers, rocking it out. Let's go. Looks like I've barely put a dent in it. I've done about 15-20 wheelbarrows full already, and there's still a good bit there. So we are rocking. 2 wheelbarrows are flat out, and yeah, getting there. Now guys, next morning we're back to it. It rained a bit last night, so we have some puddles out the back, but gonna get the rest of this outside. I have to go collect more cement, and I have more on the way because it's a bit deeper than the guy thought, so we're gonna get that sorted. So let's get all this out the back and we'll have a look at what's done. So there's obviously loads left to do, but he's getting there. We're gonna fly off, get more cement, organise some more of this, and yeah, he's getting there. So huge thank you to Toil Genie, one of the supporters of the channel, helping me pick up the 20 bags of cement, and we have another 5 ton of gravel on the way. So let's get these back to get the garden finished. So this is day 2. This is all solid. This is, apparently he was telling me there was a lot more in it. So this is about 8 inches deep. So I've done it deep enough so I can put in a 4-posted lift if I want to, but I'm not. I'm putting in a floor riser. No need for it. This is all done today. He just backfilled all in with cement. So that's going to go solid, and then the rest goes over nice and smooth. But this is what it's going to look like. The whole lot. Really happy with this, looks amazing. So he's doing it in 3 stages. So this piece of wood comes up, well, he's actually going to do this one first, then he's going to do the middle one, so all the wood comes out. But yeah, I'm really happy. He's going to come back on Monday because he's waiting for more materials. I got more sand, no, not sand, sorry, I got more cement. Gonna need 2 or 3 more bags, and I ordered more gravel because we ran out. So get another 3 or 4 ton of the gravel, and that will finish off the pad. And then once that's done, all around the edges get filled in as well, a bit lower than the actual pad for drainage. So that's all drainage. So what you see inside the wood is the actual pad, and then once the pad is done, all of the garage stuff that I need to put over here onto the pad will be here, and then this will all be blank, so we can do all the stones down here for parking. And then once that's done, we can get all the steel in and we can start putting up the garage. So yeah, can't wait to see when this is all done. I'm in work all week, so I won't see most of it getting done. So the next part of this video that you see will be the pad just about finished. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a like, comment, share, and yeah, let's get this done. Then we can get the garage up and start working on some more cars. So guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you do subscribe and share. Yeah, it just seems like a lot of work over the past few weeks has come to this. It has been a lot of work, a lot of time put into this, stressing me out a lot, but it's getting done now. So at least now I can be like, yeah, I'm happy. I can do the rest of it myself. Once the pad is done, I can backfill all this stuff around the edges myself. I'm putting drainage down on the front myself, and then I can do the stones myself. That's all easy work. I've done it before, so I know what to do. I will need a shitload more stuff, more cement, more paving sand, more gravel, so I can build it up and put the slabs down so we can make it look all one. So yeah, appreciate you for watching. Appreciate everyone who supports me. If you're not, maybe head over to the Patreon, sign up to the Patreon. A million videos there to watch before these are all up. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. See you in the next one, and don't forget, be dedicated. Peace.